Alright, so today what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace the ice maker machine on our freezer. So it's a Fridgidaire. So that's the old one. It's not working anymore, and instead I could have taken all that thing out and probably like figure out the wires and everything using the testers and so forth, but I don't have time for that. A new ice maker from eBay cost about $30 to $35. Some of them $40. So it's better for me, faster, just to replace the ice maker machine. Okay. So what we're gonna do at this point, let me just put my light up here, is we remove the bin. Take the bin out. Just pull that bin out. There you go, and just let it sit here somewhere for now. There. And I already loosened the screws that are in here behind on the side of the ice maker machine. But what I would usually do is, in order for me to be able to see that, those screws, is I would use a mirror. I would put the mirror right there in the back, so I could see the screws. So, the screws that holds the ice maker machine. Okay, so there I see one, and you can just adjust it accordingly, so you can loosen off your screws right there, see, in order to remove this old one. But like I said, I already loosened it. I'm just showing you what I did. So now what we're going to do is, once that's loose, the screws that are holding this, you can just lift this up like this. It comes off, and see the two screws right there? There is a connector. There is a connector in here. It needs, all you gotta do is just kind of like press both sides. It releases, see? Now you take the old one out. There you go. It is no good. We're going to install a new one. Alright, so this is the new ice maker. I ordered it from eBay at 40. There it goes. See? And so what we do is, see this? We hang that, well, before we do that, we kind of connect the connector first. The same way I showed you how to disconnect it. So I'm gonna reach in there and just kind of like, hopefully be able to get this film. See, and you just push that in there and connect it until it clicks back in. There, I was able to push it in and then kind of like until it clicks, and there goes the connector. So now we're gonna put this ice maker machine back, attach it on that screw, on the two screws that are there. It should, I gotta put my light down there. Okay, so I kind of like there. One screw goes in, and the other one the same way. There. So now, with that being there, I'm just gonna tighten up using that mirror right there as my guide, so I can see I use this, a flat screwdriver. I go in there and I need my light, of course. I try to adjust this here somewhere. There you go, just tighten that screw a little bit. Oop. But that's alright, that's just my mirror fell. But I got the screw and it's tightening up. See how it's starting to be straight against the wall? Now that I got one screw to tighten up, now I'm going to adjust my mirror so I can see, and I go to the next screw. There she is. So that it needs to be tightened too. Now I got it. See, and it's tightening. And I'm using the mirror, like I said, in order to be able to see. Tighten up this thing enough. Okay, so I finally got it nice and tight. See? So that's ready to go. And what we're going to do now is I'm going to return the bin. Alright, so let me get that bin. Put it back. Oh. Sorry, I had to get the mirror. There you go. Now, we're going to reinstall the bin. Let's put it back in here. Just push that back in there. There. All right, and so there you go. That's ready to go. We'll turn the water on, and it should start producing ice in the next few hours or so. Okay.